Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're unboxing the Peplink MAX Adapter 2.0, an excellent solution for integrating cellular WAN connectivity into your existing network. Let's dive right in and see what's inside the box. When you first open the box, you'll find a sheet right on top. This sheet has a QR code that you can scan to access the Quick Start Guide. It's a handy way to get up and running quickly. Now let's focus on the star of the show, the Peplink MAX Adapter 2.0. Starting at the front, we have 2 gigabit LAN ports, a USB-C port, which can be used for local access or power, and then the dedicated power port, which supports GPIO and ignition sensing. You'll also notice the status LEDs for both status and cellular indicators, and a reset button marked with a circular arrow icon. Moving to the sides, you'll see mounting holes which allow you to secure the device if needed. This is especially useful for mobile or rugged installations. On the back, we have the antenna ports. 2 for cellular, labeled main and aux, and 1 for GPS. These are all SMA female ports. The back also houses the single SIM card slot, which can be protected by a metal door that screws into the router. To insert your SIM, ensure the gold contacts are facing down and the notched end goes in first. It should click into place securely. On the bottom, you'll find the device label, which includes the serial number. Make sure to keep this information handy for any support needs. Now let's take a closer look at the power supply and antennas. The 12-volt 2-amp power supply will keep your device powered up and running smoothly. To connect the cellular antennas, simply screw them onto the main and aux ports until they are finger tight. Once secured, bend them upward to a 90-degree angle for optimal signal reception. We also have our GPS antenna, which comes with a cable so you can secure it where it can get adequate signal. It includes a 3M adhesive on the bottom so it can stick just about anywhere. And there you have it, the Peplink MAX Adapter 2.0, unboxed and ready to provide you with reliable cellular internet connectivity. Whether you need a backup connection or internet access in remote locations, this device has got you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like it. Thanks for watching.